Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects all of us in the digital age, cybersecurity. Now, we all know how important it is to stay secure online, but there are several myths floating around that might be misleading. In this video, we're going to debunk some common myths about cybersecurity to help you navigate the digital world more safely. Myth number 1. Antivirus software makes you invincible. Myth number 1. Having antivirus software means you're invincible to cyber threats. While antivirus programs are crucial for detecting and removing known malware, they can't guarantee complete protection. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving, creating new threats that may not be immediately detected by antivirus software. It's essential to combine antivirus tools with good online practices. Myth number 2. Complex passwords are enough. Myth number 2. Complex passwords are enough to keep you safe. While using strong, unique passwords is a great practice, relying solely on them is a mistake. Cybersecurity goes beyond passwords. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, and consider using a password manager to keep your credentials secure. Myth number 3. Only big companies get hacked. Host. Myth number 3. Only big companies get hacked. This is a dangerous misconception. Small businesses and individuals are also prime targets for cyber attacks. In fact, cybercriminals often see them as easier targets due to less robust security measures. Everyone, regardless of size, should prioritize cybersecurity. Myth number 4. Macs are immune to viruses. Myth number 4. Macs are immune to viruses. While it's true that Macs have historically been less targeted than PCs, they are not immune. As Macs become more popular, they are increasingly becoming targets for cyber threats. Always keep your Mac's operating system and applications updated to patch vulnerabilities. Myth number 5. Public Wi-Fi is always safe. Myth number 5. Public Wi-Fi is always safe. Public Wi-Fi networks are convenient, but they can also be a breeding ground for cyber attacks. Avoid accessing sensitive information or logging into important accounts while on public Wi-Fi. If you need to use such networks, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, for added security. And there you have it, debunking some common myths about cybersecurity. It's crucial to stay informed and adopt good cybersecurity practices to protect yourself online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. As always, stay safe and secure in the digital world. I'll see you in the next video.